I wake up, stay in my bed for a while, 'cause I don't wanna start this day off like this. No reasons to get up lately. Not giving up, I'm not ready yet. I'm falling down from the sky again. Overload, I'm insecure, leave me be. And it just doesn't seem like me, making it look like I'm fine. I'm fine.
Alright, how are you doing guys today? Today we are at night in Sanur and we're gonna what we're gonna do?
We're gonna have a dinner actually in one of the most famous restaurant in Sanur, and then we will walk around Sanur and see how the situation in Sanur at night, in nightlife especially.
Yeah.
We will see. Mostly, normally in like this month, July, August, you know, mostly quite lots of people are, you know, quite busy. Normally busy in Sanur, but nowadays, let's see. Some restaurants still closed. Yeah, we will see around.
What we gonna have for dinner?
We will have a pizza. Damian's favorite food.
Yeah, even when I'm happy, you are by my side. And when I close my eyes, you're still stuck on me. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby. Yeah, even if you're gone, you come back at night. 'Cause you ain't give me down whenever I'm on the road. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby. Smiles fake, just gotta power it through.
Alright, we are in the Massimo restaurant and as you can see it's not so many people.
So she just told me that they have a special promo for today for the natural one. Do you wanna have the natural one?
What natural one?
The one natural water. Buy one get one free.
Oh, this one is okay.
Sparkling only.
Yeah, sparkling water aja.
Sparkling.
Oh, that's why, because we're looking for sparkling. It's okay, no worries. Yes, so they have a promo of the water. Anyway, as you can see, this is my one of the best place for having. Hello.
So he's the owner.
This is the owner.
Thank you.
Wanna say something?
Buonasera. Oh my god, I didn't know. Just enjoy your evening with us. Yeah, thank you very
No
much.
need to be shy.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Enjoy the time with us.
You are super famous in Sanur area anyway, so you should be fine with that.
Thanks. Grazie.
Thank you.
Thank you.
But the best pizza in Sanur, don't forget guys.
Thank you. Grazie.
Yes, well actually that now we are in Massimo Pizza. As usual, we come here in this, normally at this time will be full book. Even we have to wait in the long queue to get a table. But as now you can see, yeah, thank you. Now as now you can see, still many people, still some people coming, but it's not as busy as before.
Yeah, it's kinda sad, but that's the reality, and that's why today's vlog we will show you exactly how it looks, Sanur life at night, and some places around.
Oh wow! So big pizza.
Thank you.
Well, this pizza is Damian's favorite pizza ever. And whenever we go to Sanur, we always go here just to buy this pizza. So good. That's it, honey. Smacznego. Selamat makan.
Thank you, sayang.
Oh, look
And
at
the best pizza in Sanur so far.
Look at this pizza, so big and so yum. So good.
Like it?
Smiles fake, just gotta power it through. Cause otherwise you'll pull me way down with you. You're not gonna become a habit. I'm not letting you tell me how to be. Make my own way till you let me free. Overload, I'm insecure, set me free. And it just doesn't seem like me, making it look like I'm fine. I'm fine. Yeah, even when I'm happy, you are by my side. And when I close my eyes, you're still stuck on me. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby. Yeah, even if you're gone, you come back at night. Cause you ain't get me down whenever I'm on the road. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby. Keeps on ticking faster. I don't know the way. Just that time will make it easier. Guess I don't mind if you leave me, babe, so I could feel fine. Yeah. Even when I'm happy, you are by my side. And when I close my eyes, you're still stuck on me. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby. Yeah, even if you're gone, you come back at night. Cause you ain't get me down whenever I'm on the road. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby. Haven't seen you in a while. I never thought you'd be so wild. Things are moving way too fast. Why don't we slow down? Yeah, moving just like we used to. Baby, it's time to let loose now. Step back, deep breaths now before things get out of control. I hope you really like me. I want it to be you and me. I wanna give it all to you. I can show you if you stick around, yeah. All I need is one night to change your mind. Wait until the morning before you get out of here, yeah. Baby, we need more time, yeah. More time to change our lives, yeah. We could be the greatest if you just give us a chance, yeah. You always been on my mind ever since I left your side. Yeah, I regret it oh so much, I hope you forgive me, yeah. Don't even care what they saying. We got this bond, so let's face it. Looking different now, so maybe this time things will work. I hope you really like me. I want it to be you and me. I wanna give it all to you. I can show you if you stick around, yeah. All I need is one night to change your mind. Wait until the morning before you get out of here, yeah. Baby, we need more time, yeah. More time to change our lives, yeah. We could be the greatest if you just give us a chance, yeah. Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, yeah, and have a good life? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, yeah, and have a good life? I hope you really like me. I want it to be you and me. I wanna give it all to you. I can show you if you stick around, yeah. All I need is one night to change your mind. wait until the morning before you get out of here. Yeah, baby, we need more time, yeah. More time to change our lives, yeah. We could be the greatest if you just give us a chance, yeah. Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, yeah, and have a good life? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, yeah, and have a good life?
Alright, so as you can see, the Sanur is actually quiet, and that's why we decide to have a ride and show you guys slowly how it looks on the streets. As you can see, many places are closed.
Yeah, because the place is so dark actually, and then yeah.
That's why
So
we
we-
decide to drive and showing you, because it
Yeah.
will be too dark to show you anything when we walk.
Yeah, some restaurants still closed, hotels still closed. So quiet. It's really like a ghost town.
It's very, very quiet. It's just a 7:40 p.m. It should be a lot of people enjoying everywhere, but it's just quiet.
All right, thank you guys. You're already following us and then joining us when we had a dinner. Yeah, just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And every video is on at 7 p.m. every day.
7 p.m. Bali time, GMT Pacific. Okay, thank you so much. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
I wake up, stay in my bed for a while, 'cause I don't wanna start this day off like this. No reasons to get up lately.